Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Silhouette Studio, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Silhouette Studio from your computer, begin by closing the application if it's currently running. On a Windows PC, open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. Once the control panel is open, click on Programs. Next, select Programs and Features. In the list of then, select the Uninstall option at the top of the window. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Once finished, restart your computer to ensure all components are fully removed. If you're using a Mac, begin by closing Silhouette Studio if it's open. Next, open Finder by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. In the sidebar, select Applications. Locate Silhouette Studio in the Applications folder. Drag the Silhouette Studio icon to the trash bin, or right-click and select Move to Trash. To remove any residual files, find the Application Support folder within the library. Look for any folder related to Silhouette Studio and delete it. Finally, empty your trash to permanently remove these files from your computer. Restart your Mac to complete the uninstallation. Now, Silhouette Studio is fully uninstalled from your system. You can reinstall the application later if you choose to do so. Make sure to back up any projects before uninstalling, if needed. Your device should now perform as expected without Silhouette Studio installed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.